Hello everybody, Mr. Hani Abdullah welcomes you. Today we are going to talk about sets of numbers, secondary stage. Complex numbers. To know complex numbers, first we must know the sets from the beginning. Number one, counting numbers, simple C from 1, 2, 3, and so on to positive infinity. Next, natural numbers n 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, also to positive infinity. Next, integers z 0 in the middle, all positive numbers to positive infinity, also all negative numbers to negative infinity. Next, rational numbers q, all these sets plus fraction like a over b, and I have two conditions. First, a and b, numerator and denominator, belong to z, belong to integers, and also denominator must not equal 0. Irrational numbers q dash, such as all square root like 5, square root 7, 11, and pi, and so on. Real numbers, symbol R, that means Q, rational numbers, union Q dash irrational. All rational plus irrational equals real numbers. Now we must know complex numbers. E plus I B. What about A? This is real part. What about B? An imaginary part. I, that means equals square root negative 1, I power of 2 equals negative 1, I power of 3 negative I, and I power of 4, and I power of all numbers divisible by 4 equals 1. I have now an example. Solve in R real numbers. X power of 2 equals negative 9. That means x equals positive or negative square root negative 9. In R, S says solution set equal 5. Why? Because I haven't negative inside square root in R in real numbers. But the same example, solve in complex numbers. X power of 2 equals negative 9. X equals positive or negative square root negative 9. X equal positive or negative 9 square root 9, 3. Negative 1 from here, I. So SS here equal 3R positive and negative 3I. This is the difference between real numbers and complex numbers, because complex numbers has an imaginary part. Okay? At last, example find the solution set of the following and complex numbers. X power of 2 plus x plus 1 equal 0. E coefficient of x power of 2 1. Yes. B coefficient of x 1 also. And C equals 1. X equals general rule formula negative b positive negative square root b power of 2 negative 4 ec over 2a. Negative b negative 1 positive negative square root b power of 2 1 negative 4 multiply a multiply c multiply 1 multiply 1. 2 multiply a equals 1. So denominator 2 negative 1 positive negative square root 1 negative 4 negative 3. That means x equals 2 negative 1 positive negative square root 3 negative, that means I. So SS equals negative 1 plus square plus square root 3 I over 2 and negative 1 negative square root 3 I over 2. And now thank you and goodbye.